Ethereum value expectation outline continuous information shows Ethereum essentially is exchanging at $2,288.82, which is genuinely critical incredibly. Our Ethereum exceptionally kind of long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes ETH possibly running somewhere in the range of $125,425.29 and $143,632.19, pretty especially in spite of prevalent Ethereum, ETH, basically is determined to explicitly arrive at a by and large truly normal cost of $0.0000023 toward the finish of 2025 in an unobtrusive manner, which basically is very huge. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $35,286.67 mark, which sort of is genuinely critical. Ethereum, ETH, basically truly is expected to for the most part arrive at a really greatest cost of $109,241.39 constantly 2040, entirely all expectations and purposes further appearance how Ethereum, ETH, by and large for the most part is expected to generally arrive at a reasonably genuinely most extreme cost of $109,241.39 continuously 2040 and in every practical sense. Exceptionally significant way in a kind of significant manner. Starting around 23 December 2023 Ethereum basically is exchanging at $2,288.82 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.07% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, or so they in every practical sense, basically thought. ETH explicitly especially has an in every way that really matters, fundamentally complete market cap of $275,079,405,492, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,016,321,821 in a truly significant manner. This really makes Ethereum, ETH, beautiful positioning at 2 in the digital currency market, which for the most part sort of is genuinely huge, which by and large is genuinely critical. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense truly is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2040, what will Ethereum sort of truly be certainly worth in 2040, or so they certainly thought. Is Ethereum a very wise speculation or in every way that really matters, genuinely worth purchasing in 2040, or so they all things considered, thought in a kind of significant way? Will ETH cost most certainly by and large outperform its unequaled high in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking in a significant manner? These basically are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, so Ethereum value expectation outline ongoing information shows Ethereum in a real sense explicitly is exchanging at $2,288.82, which really is genuinely critical in an extremely huge manner. Ethereum, ETH value expectation 2040, as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the ETH cost quite is supposed to basically in every practical sense cross a very normal value level of $2,359.78, the normal certainly least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the decently in every way that really matters, current year ought to be $2,157.51. Which generally basically shows that assuming that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2040, what will Ethereum in every practical sense most certainly be truly worth in 2040 in an unpretentious manner? Besides, ETH can generally in every practical sense arrive at a very greatest value level of $2,427.20, so are Ethereum in every way that really matters, sort of long-haul conjecture for 2050, proposes ETH possibly going somewhere in the range of $125,425.29 and $143,632.19, or so they outrageously thought amazingly. Ethereum, ETH value estimate December 2023. For December 2023 the cost of Ethereum especially basically is generally anticipated to for the most part fundamentally arrive at a sort of beautiful typical cost of $2,359.78, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $2,427.20 and at least $2,157.51, exhibiting how might ETH cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high. In every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum actually quite passed value examination in the kind of genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically for the most part has been especially diminished by 0.68% in its exceptionally current worth, exhibiting how Ethereum, ETH, certainly really is expected to in every practical sense arrive at a sort of beautiful greatest cost of $109,241.39 continuously 2040. Pretty genuinely further appearance how Ethereum, ETH, sort of generally is expected to by and large for the most part arrive at in every practical sense, especially greatest cost of $109,241.39 constantly 2040, which most certainly in every way that really matters is genuinely huge in a significant way. On the off chance that we in every practical sense, in a real sense look at the pretty exceptionally current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can generally for the most part see that the market cap fundamentally basically is likewise down, certainly further appearance, how most certainly is Ethereum a pretty genuinely wise venture or reasonably in every way that really matters. Worth purchasing in 2040 in every way that really matters, huge way. From in every practical sense, sort of most recent 7 days the ETH by and large for the most part was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 1.95%, showing that Ethereum, ETH, essentially is estimated to really arrive at an extremely normal cost of $0.00000023 toward the finish of 2025. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking, or so they thought. Ethereum in every practical sense has shown most certainly solid reasonably essentially potential recently, and this could be decently great chance to commonly sort of dive right in and contribute. Exhibiting that Ethereum, ETH, explicitly is expected to by and large for the most part arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $109,241.39 constantly 2040. Fundamentally further appearance how Ethereum, ETH, for the most part is expected to in every way that really matters. Explicitly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of $109,241.39 continuously 2040 in a kind of significant manner and a for the most part significant manner. Ethereum value figure 2040 facts what will sort of be Ethereum exceptionally worth in 2040 in a by and large especially significant manner in opposition to mainstream thinking. The ETH cost truly generally is gauged to fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest degree of $2,427.20, with by and large least cost of $2,157.51 toward the finish of 2040, showing how Ethereum, ETH, basically for the most part is expected to for the most part in a real sense, arrive at a most extreme cost of $109,241.39 constantly 2040. Sort of commonly further appearance how Ethereum, ETH, by and large is expected to for the most part especially arrive at in every way that really matters, all things considered, most extreme cost of $109,241.39 continuously 2040 in